super simple cast iron party shrimp. I'd love to serve this for a party. It takes less than 10 minutes to come together. You don't have to peel the shrimp. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients and delicious. This is going to be one of those dishes that people ask for again and again. Melting butter in a pan. Now it's time to add a few simple ingredients. I've just got some garlic here and all that spice mixture. I like to, when I'm measuring out these spices, I will have another little quart container and I'll go ahead and measure it again. The time I make it, I already have it ready. So that makes it a little bit easier. And I'm adding just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So as that starts to saute, I have rinsed and drained about 2 pounds of shrimp. My recipe calls for 4 in my cookbook. But these are local shrimp and everything, the heads aren't on, but the tails are on. Everything's in there because we're gonna peel and eat them. So we're just gonna add those in. We're working with about medium high to high heat. I'm gonna get them all on one layer and let them sit for just a minute and get incorporated with all those good flavors of the butter and the spices and the garlic. You can see some of the shrimp are starting to turn pink. This is when I'm gonna add my liquid. Just a little stock and of course a beer. All right, it's gonna get bubbly. You can see it's all nice and pink. I'm just gonna finish this sauce with a little bit of butter and almost immediately pull it off the stove and serve it on the countertop.